Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Fiverr freelancer, you know how crucial it is to stand out in the crowded marketplace. And today we're unlocking a secret weapon that's going to revolutionize how you market your gigs. Pinterest. That's right, we're diving deep into how to transform Pinterest into a powerhouse for driving traffic and boosting your Fiverr sales. But before we jump in, let's talk about the latest buzz in the Fiverr world, Fiverr Go. This update is all about speed and efficiency, connecting buyers with pre-vetted freelancers for those quick, standardized tasks. Now, as a Fiverr freelancer, how can you leverage this to your advantage? Well, imagine this. You're offering a service that fits perfectly into the Fiverr Go model. You're fast, efficient, and deliver consistent quality. But how do you get noticed? That's where Pinterest comes in. You see, Pinterest isn't just a mood board, it's a visual search engine. Users actively search for solutions, inspiration, and yes, even freelancers. By creating compelling pins that showcase your Fiverr Go services, you're tapping into a highly targeted audience. Think of it like this. Your Fiverr Go gig is the express lane, and Pinterest is the highway that leads right to it. But let's not limit ourselves to just Fiverr Go. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, voiceover artist, or anything in between, Pinterest can be your ultimate marketing tool. The key is to understand how to create pins that not only catch the eye, but also drive clicks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Creating eye-catching pins takes time, and you're right, it does. But what if I told you there are tools that can streamline the process and make it incredibly easy? First up, the pin generator. Imagine being able to create stunning, professional-looking pins in just a few clicks. This tool allows you to input your gig details, add images, and generate a variety of pin designs that are optimized for Pinterest. No more struggling with design software or spending hours creating pins from scratch. You can access the tutorial or demo of how this tool works by clicking the link in the top right corner of your screen. Believe me, this is a game changer for anyone serious about using Pinterest as a strategic marketing tool. Next, we have the Pin Inspector. This tool is like having a secret weapon that lets you see what's working for other successful Fiverr sellers on Pinterest. You can analyze their pins, see what keywords they're using, and get inspiration for your own designs. It's like having a cheat code to Pinterest success. And finally, to make this even easier, I'm providing you with my own Pinterest pin templates. These templates are designed to be highly engaging and optimized for conversions. Simply customize them with your own content and watch your clicks soar. You can access all these tools in the video description below. Now, here's the thing. Creating great pins is just the first step. To truly succeed on Pinterest, you need consistency. Just like building any habit, regularly pinning relevant and engaging content will help you build a strong presence and attract a loyal following. Think of it like this. Your Pinterest profile is your digital storefront. The more you decorate it with beautiful and informative pins, the more likely people are to stop and take a look inside. I understand that navigating the world of freelancing can be overwhelming, especially for new Fiverr sellers. That's why I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you're looking for personalized guidance, I offer one-on-one sessions where we can strategize and tailor a plan specifically for your Fiverr gigs. You can find the link to book a session in the description below. And if you want to connect with a community of like-minded freelancers and access my AI toolkit, join my digital community. It's a space where you can ask questions, share tips, and get the support you need to grow your business. So, there you have it. By combining the power of Pinterest with the efficiency of Fiverr Go and utilizing the right tools, you can take your Fiverr business to new heights. Remember, consistency is key, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to access all the tools mentioned in the video description and let me know in the comments if you've tried using Pinterest to promote your Fiverr gigs. What strategies have worked for you? Or if you're just starting out, what questions do you have? Remember, we're all in this together and sharing knowledge is how we all grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Fiverr tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.